Another day, another dollar. So here I am. As some of you might know, I'm dreadful for sleeping in my hair and makeup. Yeah, absolutely dreadful. So, state of my makeup and hair after, I'd say, pretty much 18 hours. Still pretty good. But today I'm going to do a video of me dethroning. So, let's see how that one goes. So off comes the jewellery first thing. It's always a bit of a downer to dethrone, get back to drab, but I'm off to park run, and as much as I couldn't give a crap and turn up and look like the fairy queen mother, it's not really conducive for running. So I do a little 3K warm up, then the 5K park run, and enjoy myself. Hair tied up, sensibly dressed. Oh god, boring. So most of this is all my own hair, but the back part, as you probably know, a ton of clip-in hair extensions, which my lovely hairdresser puts in. So what'll probably happen is I'll stop yakking, do this, and use that super lovely fast forward button in a moment. And this is why you don't sleep in them, because they get a little bit, that's the one. But it's out, there's a few in there. So this bit always takes time. Oh, there's the cat hiding behind there. My cup of cold coffee as well. Oh god damn it, that's awful. Right, where are we? The plan is to show everyone how I remove my makeup. So first things first, for the love of God, even though I'm not bloody religious, do not use baby wipes. Ever use baby wipes. They're great for what they are. If you want to, clean up mucks and spittles and arses, do not use baby wipes on your face. The chemicals in those baby wipes, really bad for around your eyes. I did it for years and ended up with, I just didn't know any better back in the day. Used them for years and it ended up with like chemical burns around the eyes, and it took absolutely ages for it to settle down. So use proper face wipes and a combination of that and baby oil, and that's it. It takes your makeup off really well, and it's inexpensive as well. You don't need mega expensive products. I think I've made that point quite clear on most of my videos. You don't need super expensive stuff. Some of the products that I use, like the Kryolan foundation, yep, that's not cheap, but it lasts 2-3 times as long as the cheapy stuff, and is 2 or 3 times better. So that's one product I would definitely say don't skimp on. But the makeup removal, baby oil and some regular wipes that I just buy from the supermarket, does the trick absolutely perfectly. So the hair extensions I'm using, these wavy ones I get from an eBay shop. Absolutely, there's 2 sets of these in there. I get my hairdresser that really go for it, and then there's also a larger set in there as well, which I'll show you, which I get from my local hair shop in Bury. So shop local, yay! Totally believe that. Shop local. Try your best to spend your money at a local level. I only put these extensions in probably 2 or 3 times a week. I think if you did them every single day, I could imagine they do tug at the odd hair. I'd probably imagine that doing these every day would be detrimental to your own natural hair. They look great for shoots and or big nights out, but I think that's about it. That's the one. Right, that's the larger one at the rear. So that really adds to sort of like that long thickness at the back. I think there's a couple in there. Yeah. And a couple of smaller ones too. As I said on one of my pictures on Instagram, I'm just really, really grateful and fortunate that I've got my own hair. So, and I can augment it or use my own hair, you know, it's all good. So, there you go, that's my own hair. So, please, I've still got all of that. Thank fuck. Right, now, here comes the boring bit. Eyelash removal. So it's gorgeous big eyelashes. Off they come. Don't waste the eyelashes. Personally, I get about 5 uses out of eyelashes, and you know, just reuse them, pick the glue off. Yeah, about 5 uses, and they're good to go. And then lower eyelashes as well. Clear the hair out of the way. So again, like I said, this is my own hair and it's all beautifully done by my hairdresser, and now I'm just going to trash it. So, pound of parting. There we go. And hairband it up. Bricked it now. That's it. Okay. Removal time. The ones, the wipes that I get, just straightforward. 25 wipes, Nutmeg. Plastic free. So typically I use 4 of these wipes because I've got so much makeup on my face. It's needs 4. So there goes the gob. See what I mean? That's a lot of makeup. So I'm using the first initial wipe to really start moving things and just going over the whole area of the face. There we go. I'm wearing not my best red robe that everybody normally sees, but this my older robes. There we go. Yeah, the worst of it. Most of it's off now. You can see how bad that is. Right, straightforward Johnson's baby oil. You do not want to be rubbing the hell out of your eyes. So just a small amount of oil. Then that's soaking. You can use the oil on the whole of your face. It's a bit greasy, but soap and water get that off afterwards. There we go. In fact, I'm going to use that soap and water right now. There we go. So now I look like an 80s horror movie where I'm melting. No, that's 1930s. Okay. There you go. Now you can see it's really coming off. What I tend to do is, you got the first wipe that I've used and I wrap it with the second one, so get a little extra use out of it. It's always the eyelash glue. That's the hardest to get rid of. Well, if you've done it well, it wants to stay. Right, okay. Just going to brush my teeth, and I don't think anybody needs to see that. Light's not really best in the bathroom for a camera setup. So barely anything coming off now, so park run and a shower later, I'll probably get rid of the rest. If you're wondering what the black eyeliner is on my eyes, is I had permanent makeup tattoos done years ago. Kind of handy. There we go. All done.